How to create WeChat account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will show you how to create a WeChat account. If you haven't installed WeChat yet, download it first, then follow this step. First, open WeChat. Tap on sign up button at bottom right corner and you can sign up via mobile, phone number, Facebook. So let's tap on sign up via mobile. Now you have to enter the credential like your name, country or region, phone and password, and you need to check mark the terms of service of WeChat. And these are all the privacy policy of WeChat. You need to go through all of this and check mark I have read and acknowledge the privacy policy. Now select the next button. And you have to start a security verification. Simply tap on a start button. Now you have to select or solve a simple puzzle. And after that, your WeChat account is now ready to use. So that is how we can easily sign up into WeChat. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.